Hello, my name is Mark Foran. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I came to beautiful Playa del Carmen to get my teeth done over. They were a mess before, they're perfect now. The staff here was amazing. Dr. Alejandra was amazing. I had to hug her a couple times. She did such a great job. She changed my life. My teeth are brand sparkling new. They're beautiful. I love them. I've never been happier. From the start to the finish of this whole process, it was amazing, and I highly recommend it for anybody. They treat you like gold. All the staff, the drivers, everybody is amazing. I suggest you do it. Life-changing experience for me. Prices, can't beat them. I got quoted for $72,000 to get my whole mouth done in Canada. I got it done for less than 10 here. Amazing prices. You can't beat it. You can't afford not to do it. Your technology far exceeds anything I've ever seen in any dentist office in Canada, I can tell you that. Everything is clean, the place is spotless, everything's shining, the technology's second to none. This place was amazing. I highly recommend it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.